Hello, you're welcome to this video. This is Shedrach on the channel, and this is Legit Cash Business TV, a place where you learn how to build ethical online and information marketing business in the world. And in this video, I'm going to teach you step by step on how to build a VTU website in Nigeria for free. Okay, now this tutorial is going to walk you step by step. Many people, this is like how many years, up to like 3 or 4 years, people have been asking Mr. Shedrach, please can you put me through on how to build a VTU website? So in this video, you are going to learn exactly how to build a VTU website for free without spending a dime on development. Now, if this may be interest to you, please get pen and biro as we proceed for this very tutorial, because it's going to be a little bit lengthy, but it will want its attention, because telecom business is something that is thriving in this country, which is Nigeria. And before I proceed, I want you to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Legit Cash Business TV is one of the channels that talks on telecommunication. We do release videos almost every day on how to do various things on telecommunication business and other related business we speak. So just hit the subscription button so that you'll be notified when we release an update like this. So after having said that, let's go to the video properly. Now, before I start any other thing, you must know the person that is actually presenting this to you. I am Mr. Shedrach. I'm a 7-figure earner on telecommunication business in Nigeria. I'm a full stack web developer. I do development of any kind of app development, ranging from VTU setup system, corporate website designs, app development, and programming of any variables. But then in this video specifically, I am just trying to teach you or give you a training on how to build a VTU website. So look, this is Instant Mobile Nigeria, which of course you can say instantmobile.com.ng. This is the landing page of our website. So in this place, you can see that here, if you click on login or register, it will take you to a page like this. Okay, this is actually our own page where you can source products, airtime, data, cable subscriptions. So what we are trying to do in this video is to build exactly this. I don't know whether you're getting it. We're going to build exactly this. But before we build something like this, at least let's log in to see the interface of what we are building. So when you click on login or register, already I have an account on the platform. So I'll just input my email address or username or phone number, and then I will sign up. I will log into the system. So when I log into the system, I will see exactly how the interface looks like. So this is the VTU system, of course, which we are going to build right now. So you can see here, here is the transaction history. This is the balance. This is the earning balance. It has a referral system. It has a way you can be able to see every transaction happening as a user. So you can see the total number of transactions I've done in this account. So here, what I need to do is to basically put you one-on-one on what the things that is on the app, which you are going to get right now. Okay. Now, if you look at this place, you can see transaction history. You can actually overview every transaction that is happening on your back office as someone that has register as a user. So you can fund wallet as well, which if you click on here, the app supports both manual funding and automated funding through Paystack, Monify, and virtual account like Monify, which is what I just said. Also, it also supports Flutterwave, another payment system. But then here you can see the manual system, which is of course we purposely put it here. Not that the other payment system is not supported, like ATM card payment. So if you pay here, users can pay to Phone Wallet, and after when they pay to Phone Wallet, they can request for pay request for those of you that are referring people into the system, because the system is intelligent that it pays you when someone register and use their link to register. When they do transaction, the system credit you for that. So here is also payment notification. If you pay through a bank transfer to Phone Wallet, you can fill this form, and then the admin will now credit you for that. It also has an API transaction segment now, whereby API people that connect via API system can actually see all the transaction here. He also has the key settings. Here you can also see your API key, which of course you can see here, and copy it or reset the key as you wish for security purposes. Now this, you can use it to connect to external third party. This is your referral link, which you can copy and share to users. So this is the versions, as in the features of the app, which we are trying to build right now. As a matter of fact, VTU Product Creator has been there for a long time. But before I proceed, I want to do one thing for you. If you click on services here, once you are logged in, you can see my balance. You can easily buy airtime VTU or what's it called, SME data. So here, for instance, I want to buy airtime VTU. I'll just click on this MTN top up. For instance, I'm going to just impute my number, which is this, and then I will now impute the amount I want to top up, and then click on continue. It's as simple as anything. So I'll just click on pay with wallet, okay? Because I already have the wallet form, and then wow, the system will just credit me immediately. So this is exactly what we want to build in this tutorial. So you can see that I have been credited with 100 naira, and then there is a charge. So admin, you can decide a discount given. Now, having said this, let's look at other things that we can learn from this app. There is an affiliate system which the app can have. Admin can be able to edit all these pages. These are all editable on the app. Okay, there is a pricing section. The pricing sections is a place where you can define discounted across each of the levels, like API users, free users, and registered or unregistered users. You can define all this. And of course, on the About Us page, you can also put a text that explains a little bit about your company. So these are all the features of the applications which we're about to build right now. So if this thing is really going to interest you, let's get started. Before we get started, I want to show you some samples of VTU websites apart from our own VTU website, which of course I'm showing you right now. As a matter of fact, we are using the applications as it is now, okay? Now I'm going to show you examples of VTU websites, which is this application is being powered on. So you can see here, this is one of them. This one is just a one-page website, which is ttdatang.com. Is also this ttdata.com.ng is one of our client website where he says just SME data on this script. So you can see it here. Are you getting it now? So now you can also see another one, which is a VTU airtime data, which is also into airtime VTU and data subscription sales. And you can also see another one, which is softdata.com.ng. You can see it. You can see he is selling data on this website alone. Then you can also see welcome to M Data Services. That's mdataservices.com. Is also another client, which is these clients are all verifiable. You can call them and contact them to know if what I am saying in this video is true or not. So don't think that maybe this is just okay. And these are live sites. Okay, all these are live sites. So you can see ttdata.ng is live, and the VTU airtime data is there. Then ttdata.ng. All these are softdata.com.ng. Then Liberty VTU is also another VTU website. So you are going to be building sophisticated VTU websites like this after this tutorial. So it's a very, very good tutorial for you. If you have been looking for a way to build a VTU website for a long time, this is it for you. So you can see it here. Now, I am data is also here. That's ibimdata.com.ng. So libertyvtu.com is here. Then we also have affordable data. So many VTU websites. I don't want to mention. I don't want to. If you keep on looking for so many of them, so I don't want to bore this tutorial. I don't want to make it to be lengthy. But right now we are going in for the video, the practical section properly. So for you to build a VTU website, first of all, you need to have one thing ready. You must first of all have your domain and the hosting. As a matter of fact, when you take action in this video, which I'm going to show you briefly, you are going to get yourself free hosting and a domain registration just for doing following me in this tutorial. You're going to get a free hosting and domain registration from our own server, okay? Or except you have a server somewhere else, there is no problem about it. You can still follow my tutorial. So you need a hosting account. So once you have your hosting account, you log into your hosting account, that your domain, you can deploy the application on a directory. For instance, a directory means like if you go to instantmobile.com/client area. Client area is a directory inside Instant Mobile Nigeria. So here you can also have that. So here you have affordable VTU.com.ng is one of our resource sites. So I'm going to assign a directory. First of all, I have to go to File Manager. Okay. Once you're on the C panel, you go to File Manager. So once you are in the File Manager, you click on Public HTML. So on this place, you click on okay, affordable. Let's look at, okay, we're already on affordable. Then here is the public HTML, which is the root directory of this domain. So I'm going to just click on this folder icon. Then I'll call it demo VTU. Okay, so I'll click on create. So when I now click on this, that's public HTML, I'll click on demo VTU. So you can see is the folder is empty. Let me also check the affordable VTU. Let me just load it because I want to. We go back to here. This is the domain. I will take it here. Then I will put / demo VTU. So you can see the directory is created already. One thing about our server is that it's very fast. So rest be assured of a low downtime of this application. So we want to now impute the application here. So what I have to do now is to go to File Manager, which is already, we are here at File Manager. Then I'll click on that demo VTU, which I already clicked. You can rewind this video to follow my tutorial, okay? So I'll now click on this top here, I'll click on upload. So click on upload, then select the file you want to upload. You want to upload the script because VTU Product Creator is a script. So I'll go to the place where I have the script, and then click on the script here. You can see the script here. Then VTU Creator, I will select this file and then click upload. Now use the link in the description of this video to get this file. What I'm going to see a highlight on this very file. So once as the thing is uploading, the next thing after the upload is done is for you to have a database. Okay, the database is what connects the applications to a kind of a database. Is like you communicate to the file systems that you have already on the system. This tutorial is for a beginner. I'm not making it to be like, okay, a techie something. So just consider a database as a way in which you houses all the whole file, as in to communicate with your application. So you need to assign a database to this file, which is VTU Product Creator, to able to call out the script to work the way it is, as like to have a VTU for the site. So you can see here demo VTU. So what I have to do now is to, once the green light is now green, as like if you uploaded the whole thing, then you click on back here. So once you click on back here, all you have to do is to, you now come to the demo VTU. You can see the script is here. All you have to do is to, first of all, before you do anything, go back to the C panel, which you can see here, and then click on MySQL database. Okay, MySQL, under database, you click on MySQL database. Just click on it. We are going to have a database. We are going to create a database that will enable us to do the next step on this tutorial. So here, I'm going to just call it demo VTU. Once you create, you click on create. What I usually do is I will copy this as a whole, okay? Make sure you copy everything, then go back, demo VTU, that's the name of the database. So here I will go back to add user to the database so that it can be communicated effectively. So demo VTU, then the password I will put it demo, capital letter, 2020, okay, 2022. Then, okay, let me just be very, let's just put demo 2020. Then I'll put, okay, you can, okay, let me just, first of all, uh, uh, save the database. Let me just use, I can use password generator, but the reason why I don't usually use this password generator is because sometimes the script usually rejects this. But let me just use this. But before I do that, I will first of all, I will paste the link to the database. Then I'll copy this password because it's going to be needed in the next step. So I'll just click on use password. It is now strong. Then I'll click on create. So I've already created it. Use the same ending, just the way it is on the database. So I'll click on go back. I'll go back. Then you need to, after adding the user to the database, you need to, okay, after creating the users and database, you need to add users to the database. So here you have to select that particular database, which of course, if you look at here, you can see so many databases, but here you can see demo VTU. So I will also select this, then I'll click on add. Okay, here on this place, all you have to do is to mark this. Is as simple as that. You can rewind this video to follow the tutorial properly. So click on add all privileges, then make changes. Go down and click on make changes. So you can see success. You have saved and followed this on the, so it means you have successfully add the user to the database. Now, after doing this, you go back to the file manager. Okay, you see on the file manager. Then if you go to the front end of our application, you can see it here. Nothing is, you can see the VTU product creator is here. But right now, what we are going to do is to click on this and then click on extract. Okay, at the extreme top left, right, I mean to say, click on extract, and then we want to extract it to this demo VTU, which is the directory we want to install the application. So I will just click on extract. So the file will just be populated for me, which you can see there here now. Okay, are you with me now? So once the file is populated, all you have to do is to go back to the front end and then reload the page. Go back to the front end and reload the page. Then the system will now call out the application. All you have to do is to click on got it. And then here, put localhost on this first capture, localhost. Then the database, which first of all, I'll put the password. Then the database, remember we created a database before. So I'm going to just copy it and then paste the database, paste the user database I created. Then I needed to confirm the password. I did not confirm the password. So first of all, please, in this tutorial, let's go back. I'm going to reset the database, what's it called, password, because I don't have that database. So it's very careful. You must make sure you copy and paste the database somewhere. So I'm going to change the password of the database here so that I can have it. So let me just still use the password generator and then copy here and then use this, the password generator, then click on change password. So success. I will now come back and then put the password now. Then it says the file URL, place where you want file URL without HTTP. So don't put HTTPS on this, okay? And www, just make sure you leave it the way it is here and then click on install database. So this time we look at that and know whether the database, okay. One thing, that thing that I told you has happened. So I'm going to go back, use a normal database. What's it called? I'm going to go back and use the database that I can be able to remember. Because sometimes if you use the auto-generated database in the system, the system does not really recognize it. Okay, so I'm going to use the one that I can easily, the system can easily pick up. Okay, so this I've used, I've changed it, I've changed the database to something else. So I'm going to still go back. Okay, sources. Then I'm going to remove this and put the one I just created now. So the system will definitely pick it up. So I've just input it and then I'll click on install database. Okay. Okay. Like it's still rejecting it. Okay, what we are going to do now is to recreate the database. Okay, let me just create the database. This time around will be very, very demo. Let's just put it at demo. I'll just put it at demo. I will copy this. I'll be very fast now. Be very, very much fast. I'm using the exact thing I used the last time so that I will not have much issue to worry about. Okay, I think I've created it, and then I'll go back and then I will assign the privilege to the database, add users to the database. So I'll put demo add. So I will, okay, we already done this, so no need of paying, emphasizing that. So what I want to do now is to put this, which is what I have, the new database I created. I'm just changing that. So after it, I will now click on install database. Okay. Okay. It says the password did not match, so I will put the right one. Okay. Let me take it little by little. I believe it will match this time around. Okay. I think it's going. Congrats. So that's it. The next one is the administrative details. The admin setup is very important. You need to define the admin which you are going to use to be logging in into the back end of your VTU website. So here I'm going to put, let's just say demo admin. Okay. So phone number, I'm going to put this as my phone number. Then email demo. This email, you need to make it to be correct because this email is needed anytime you want to maybe communicate to the system, like password verification or something like that. So I'm going to make sure, put your password, which is going to be very strong. Then I think everything is right. You can see it, the username, the password, the email, the phone number. This is for you as admin to log into your back office. Then delete installation. You need to leave it the way it is and then click on create admin. Click on create admin. Just click on create admin. The system will what? Wallow. Just create the admin for you. So you can see it is loading up the back office of the admin for me, which you can see it is loading live and direct. This is life. This is not a joke, guys. And then this is practically how to start and build a VTU website from scratch. Because this tutorial is supposed to be a paid option, but I'm giving it for free for you, just for you, because I want you to start a VTU business on a grand style. This, which I did, you can do it as someone that is not even a tech person. So this is the back office of your VTU site. So all you have to do is, if you click on visit site here, you can see everything is empty. Users is empty, recharge is empty, everything is empty here. So nothing is here now, but this is it. If you click on the back office here now, I just click on visit site. I just click on visit site at the top. Then it takes me here. It will take me to the front end of my site, which you can see everything is empty. Okay, nothing is yet here. So you can see here, this is how you can start up, as in build a VTU portal from scratch. But then there is so many work to be done on this VTU portal you have just deployed on the server. So many things. You need to create services, you need to do some settings. Most of all these things are something that I cannot cover on this video, because I don't want to make this video to be lengthy, which of course you know is already lengthy already. So, but then what are the things you can do as with this software? You can create automated airtime subscription, just the way I have recharged my airtime. You can see it. You can create data system with this application. You can create bill payments, recharging of GoTV, DSTV, printing of recharge card. So many things you can do with this application. Now, this application is what has made us millions in the past, okay? From almost like 3 years back. Instant Mobile Nigeria has been using this application to build for several clients, just like the way I give you as a sample in this video. Now, I am offering you this opportunity for you to get started right now. As you are watching this video, once you finish watching this video, I'm giving you a special discount for watching this video to this end. I'm going to give you a special discount. Use the link in the description of this video. The first link, once you click it, it will direct you to this place, which is, you will see a page like this, which is VTU Portal Creator Software by Unique Recharge Solution. Remember, it is our company that is offering this solution. We are the one that owns this VTU Portal Creator. Are you getting it? So if you look at this, you can see VTU Portal Creator Software by Unique Recharge Solution. Pay and download the original. This is original script, not the one that has a kind of a mirror version. Okay. Pay and download the original VTU Portal Creator software for unlimited VTU creations at this 80% discount offer, valid for 5 clients only. Now, if you go back to Instant Mobile, before I come back there, you see that if you click on VTU Portal Creator, look at it here at the top here, you will see that the price for this software is 38,000 naira that we are selling it. I don't know whether you're getting it. That is the amount we are selling this software. This software, as in like to get the software, you are getting it for 38,000 naira. Let me take it down. Let me go down so that you see what I'm saying. So that I believe, seeing is believing. You can see it. Basic VTU Portal Creator Pack, best for starter, 38,000. Now this the same software that has powered several thousands of sites and made us millions is what we're offering you for the rate of what? 7,600 naira. As someone that has subscribed to our channel and you have watched this video to this end. So all you have to do is to pay, and we only can accept only 5 clients to have access to this software. Once the 5 people has bought this software, then the price goes back to this 38,000. Remember, Instant Mobile does not extend promo, or we don't. It's not like maybe you say, oh, this page will be there forever. No, we did it in 24-hour income generator. Then we are telling people that about the daily income blueprint that was selling at the rate of 500. Now it is almost 5,000 naira. So we mean what we are saying. So once you are among these 5 lucky clients that will get this access to this software, you are going to get it for 7,600 naira. All you have to do is to fill these details and then put your VTU website here and then make your payment using your ATM card. The payment is processed by Paystack, which is one of the Nigerian payment processor, which Nigerian is recognized by the CBN. So you don't need to be scared of anything at all. Once you make your payment, you download the software instantly that will enable you to build VTU website, just like I have walked you through step by step. So just even if it is midnight you pay, you download the software immediately. So once you download the software, now I'm going to give you a shocking uh, discount for my training, because let me tell you one thing, getting the software is a very good foundations. Then that's if you're a programmer, you can start right away. But if you're not a programmer, you need a guide, a mentor, someone that can mentor you. And that is why I'm offering you work with Shedrach. You can see it here. It's at top there. I'm clicking on it. If you click on this work with Shedrach, you will see that in this place, I have just about three packages where I will walk you step by step on how to build airtime, as in connect, design the applications to now start rendering airtime VTU just the way it is on here. I don't know whether you're getting it, because this thing is like science, it's tech, it's programming. But then, if you can follow step by step, if you can operate Facebook, you can easily follow my tutorial. Okay, this is a PDF live video tutorial step by step on how to do things. So this is what I'm offering you. If you look at this page, which is what we said, I'm going to leave in a link on the description of this video. You will see that the first package here is 15,000 naira, which is the basic coaching. Okay, now what I'm going to do, each of this package, if you have gotten the software, if you are among 5 lucky people that got the software, each of these packages that you are seeing here, you are going to get a whopping 40% discount on each of the packages that you want to choose here. Mark my statement. I said you are going to get 40% discount on each of these package that is here. So what it means is this: if you have gotten the software already on this very cheap rate, which is a 7,006 among the 5 lucky people, then you now say, okay, Shedrach, I want to now start with the basic coaching. You are going to get it at rate of 15,000 divided by 100 times it by 40, which is 6,000 naira off. So you are going to get it for what's it called, 9,000 naira for the first basic package. Then if you want to go for the full coaching, you are going to be, that's 55,000 divided by 100 times by 40. That's 22,000 naira off. That 55,000 divided minus by 22,000. You are going to be paying 33,000 naira for the full coaching. Then if it is for advanced, which is 350,000, you are going to, that's 350,000 divided by 100 times it by 40. We will be discounted 140k. That's 350,000. 350,000 minus by 140,000. That's 210,000 that you are going to go for the advanced coaching. Now remember, the only criteria and the conditions for you to get access to this whopping discount that I'm saying now, which is 40%, is for you to be among the 5 lucky people to download and get access to this software. Once you have done that, please tag me on WhatsApp, say I have downloaded the software, I have buy the software. Okay, once I will check if you are among the 5 people that downloaded the software, you will now have this access to this discount that I'm saying now, that will walk you step by step on how to. But remember, the good aspect of this application is that you can use it to build thousands of VTU websites. That's just the simple truth. You can build for yourself, build for your client. You can become a VTU, but just like what Shedrach and me and my company have been doing for years. So are you interested to do this, or are you interested to get started, or you're a developer that want to get VTU portal creator for your next VTU telecom design and development? This is it for you. So I believe you have gotten value for this video. If you have, please take action right now by downloading the software Remember, it's just 7,006 for now. The time is limited to only 5 clients. Once you have done that, get started. And another thing is that to help you get started, why I promise you that I'm going to give you free domain and hosting for free. The only condition is for you to first of all download the software, which is here, then pick a package from the Work With Me Shedrach, then you have a free hosting and domain registration, even if it is .com. Okay, on .com.ng, please, for the first package, which is basic coaching. But if it is for full package, you're going to get it for .com. So that's because .com is now 10,000 naira that is being sold. I don't know why, because many people, many registrar is changing their price tag. So .com is the costly domain extension, but .com.ng is not that much costly. So you're going to get a full hosting account from me, and also .com.ng for free if you first of all pay for this software, which is 7,006, and then get any of these packages. You get a free cPanel that will enable you to get started right away. What are you waiting? Get started. Use the link in the description of this video to get this software to get started. Rewatch this video, download it to actually learn more on how to deploy this application to any server in the world. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. Remember, subscribe, like, share this video on the channel. I remain your host, Mr. Shedrach. I'm going to see you in the next video. Take action. Take action. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.